Now this is a great look. So many people are emulating right now. It's all about the choker that I used to rock in the 90s. Julia Grieve is here to show you. From Pre-Loved. Fabulous dress, by the way.
Thank you.
So choker's back.
Choker it is. I mean, I think it was really Taylor Swift that called it the new flower crown. So
Right.
you've seen it at every festival all summer long, going right into the holiday parties.
There she is with her squad.
I know,
and
there
all
you
of them have chokers, boys, girls,
everyone. And there's
it.
different types that work. And so I think what I was going to do is sort of take you through the different types of chokers and then how to make them.
Okay, well, let's look at the first one we have on the first mannequin there that we're going to make.
There you go. Okay, so this is the good old stretch choker from the 90s. Put your hand up if you've been rocking one of these, right?
Oh, absolutely.
I have visions of, you know, Rachel from Friends. This is, I think she had that one down.
She was in a choker all the time.
All the time. So this is a really easy one to make. Now, what you're going to need is stretch cord, which is, you know, I picked this stuff up at Craft Store. It took me 15 minutes to get everything for all the chokers. So they're very basic things that you need. So it's a stretch cord. You're going to cut probably about 1 meter to 1.5 meters. And then you're going to want to tape it down so we can start to make the knots. Now, it's really important when you get your paper that your nail polish matches perfectly. No, I'm just joking. But I just realized that. I was like, that's already, all your crafting's going to fall apart. So, no, you don't really have to match your nail polish. So what we're going to do is I'm going to just tape this down so it doesn't move. We're going to make little knots. It's like macrame. I don't know if you remember macrame from the 70s. That's sort of, you know, my era of crafting. So you make a little knot like this, and then you're just going to feed it through. And then that comes through, and that's now the bottom. And then you make another little loop. I like to call it a D. See, that's like a D shape, and then you follow that one through. When it comes through, it comes to the bottom. And so you just keep doing that along, and eventually what you'll get are all these nice little loops.
That is so cool. So if you can see that. Yeah, and then are we done?
Then we're done. You just keep looping. Just keep making the knots as you go along. Keep knotting and knotting, and then it goes around, and it's like that tight, sort of jelly-looking 90s choker. So that's the classic.
You make it as long or as short as you need it.
Yeah, exactly. Very easy to do. Now, the next one, which I can show you, which is on the mannequin, this is the skinny choker. So this is the long, skinny. This is Vanessa Hudgens has been rocking this look.
Yes.
It's a great, great look. Now, to make it, what you'll need is a suede cord. So again, I just picked this up at the craft store. It's a suede cord. You'll need that. You'll also need a jewelry clasp, which is just at the end. You just use those.
So I'm just going to hold that up for you so
there
you can see.
And it's very...
It's teeny tiny, but that little clasp right there.
Exactly. And so what you're going to do is you're going to use a little bit of glue, because you know me, not sewing these days, not doing any of that kind of stuff. So we take a little bit of glue, dot it on, and then you just feed this end part right in to the clasp.
Okay, so it's going to stay in there.
Yes, exactly.
You really don't need much for this
one.
No, exactly. Because really it's about the length, right?
It's all about the length and the wrapping and then the ending piece. So you can use jewels, you can use stones, you can pretty much use whatever you want. I'm into tassels right now. Don't ask, I don't know. It's just something's going on.
Oh, they're big.
Then
they're everywhere.
And then we just close that off. And there you go.
And there you go.
There you go.
So you've got this. You can wear it like lariat. You can wear it. You can wear it, you know, wrapped around several times.
Exactly.
But you can have fun with that. And it's really nice when you're wearing sort of a V-neck top.
Exactly.
And you've got that coming down.
Exactly. I styled it with that. So you've sort of got a classic sort of white dress shirt, play with it, put a choker with it. Now the last one I want to show you is so quick, so fast. This is the ribbon choker.
Okay, so let's take a look at it first of all on the mannequin. So you can see.
Perfect for holiday parties.
You can do a side tie. You can do a front tie. You can do whatever you like with that, but all you need
is ribbon. Any kind of ribbon that you have in the house. It could be red. Red would be gorgeous. Any kind of ribbon that you want. Then what you get are ribbon clasps, which are they like this. Does that? Am I doing it right, Tracy?
I think you're doing it right. I'm just going to hold it up a little bit more so we can actually get a shot of it there.
Exactly. Very simple.
Good.
And then we feed the ribbon into it. Grab your handy dandy pliers.
Oh, I need those. I need that for all of my jewelry.
I know, isn't it?
They really, really help.
And you just quickly. Oh dear, here we go.
Snap that shut.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, man. It's so easy, I promise.
That's why, that's why you have all of these here, because that is going to happen in real life, right? You need a few of them.
There we go. Okay, there. Fed it back on. Now just gotta squish it shut. There we go. There we go. There we go.
Beauty.
There.
We also have one on the other side as well. So.
But normally, faster than putting on your mascara, you have a holiday choker.
Okay.
Done.
So
That's it. That's it.
Yes.
So enjoy it.
What an easy way to do it. No like fussy finishing.
Nothing done.
Nothing like
no
that.
sewing.
No sewing. I love that even better. So 3 ways to make your own chokers. Do it this holiday season. And I actually like the way you've done that. You can actually do that long sort of thing.
This is
But
actually
Julia,
a belt.
It is?
Okay.
I love the way you think. Let's go to break. We got more coming up.